What are the measures of central tendency? Anyone? How are we going to determine the mean of given set of data? How are we going to determine the median of a given set of data? And how are we going to determine the mode of a given set of data? Always remember, don't be mean, be median and mode. After answering all of the questions, let's have our quiz now. For individual and easy round, we have 2 points each for every questions. Given a set of data, 3, 3, 7, 2, and 8. The first question is, what is the mean? You have 10 seconds to answer. All right, the answer is 4.6. How did you get the answer? You have to add all the numbers and divide it by 5. The answer is 4.6. Second question. What is the median? Answer is 3. That's good. Arranging all the numbers from lowest to highest, we have 2, 3, 3, 7, and 8. The middle number is 3. Therefore, the median is 3. Last question for the easy round. What is the mode? Answer is also 3 because 3 is the most frequent number appears in the set. Let's now move on to the average round where the questions are 3 points each. Given the set of data 3, 4, 4, 5, 2, 1, and 3. What is the mean? You have 15 seconds to answer. Answer is 3.14. How? The sum of all the elements are 22 divided by 7. The answer is 3.14. Second question. What is the median? Answer, it's 3. The middle number is 3 since it is odd. Last question. What is the mode? Okay, correct. The answer is 3 and 4. So we have bimodal. Now we have the difficult rounds, where 3 points each also. Team Diamond had the following scores from their last 5 games in the basketball tournament: 54, 52, 51, 54, and 55. First question. What is the average score of the team in their last 5 games? 15 seconds to answer. Okay, the answer is 53.2. How? You have to add first all of the numbers again. 54 plus 52 plus 51 plus 54 plus 55 divided by 5. The answer is 53.2. Second question. What is the middle score of the team in their last 5 games? Answer is 54. Arranging from lowest to highest, we have 51, 52, 54, 54, and 55. Since the elements are odd, the middle score is 54. So 54 is the median or the middle score. Last question for the difficult round. What is the most frequent scores that the team scored in their last 5 games? Time's up. Good job. We have 54. The number that most frequent appears is 54. Therefore, the mode is 54. Compute all the scores from your quiz B. And for your assignment, what is the mean, median, and mode of the given set of data? Number 1, 1, 2, 3 to 5. Number 2, 7, 5, 5, 8, 4. Number 3, 9, 6, 7, 7, 8, 6, 4. Hope you had a great understanding about our lesson for today. Thank you, and don't forget your assignment for tomorrow. Have a good day, everyone.